what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I have 3 extremely easy DIY costumes for you guys. They don't involve any sewing and they're so easy that you can literally make them the day of the party that you're going to or the day of Halloween, and they're also super current for 2018. So with all of that being said, let's just go right on into the DIYs. So if you don't watch Riverdale, I don't know if we can be friends because the first DIY costume is from Riverdale. It's a DIY Jughead costume and you could go the serpent jacket route, but those can be kind of pricey and hard to find. So we're gonna go for a more casual Jughead. I got this hat from Winners that would work perfectly because it's like the same style and same color as Jughead's hat. And what we're gonna do is cut little slits in like the fold of the hat, and then we're gonna fold it in behind to create a triangle and just stitch it closed so that we don't have any like loose threads or anything like that. If you're feeling lazy and you don't want to stitch it up in the back, you can literally just cut this into triangles. Totally up to you. But after you do that, your hat's done, and that's like the main component to the DIY. And then if you want to go the extra mile, just get a monotone colored t-shirt and some, you can use fabric paint or just like acrylic paint, which is what I'm using because it doesn't wash out of clothes, and just paint an S on your t-shirt, pair it with one of those denim jackets with the fur and a plaid shirt, and your costume's done. A lot of people are going to be going as Ariana Grande for Halloween because for God is a Woman video, but if you guys want to also go as a musician but you don't want to be Ariana Grande, I have a perfect DIY for you guys. It's super easy and it's a musician costume that is very recognizable. So I have this bucket that I got from the dollar store, and what we're going to do is just paint it white, and then we're going to paint X's for eyes and then a smiley. And if you don't know who I'm talking about Marshmello music because he wears this thing on his head that looks like a marshmallow, but it can be easily replicated with a bucket. So once you have your bucket painted, pair it with some white clothes and you're finished. If you do want to wear the head all night though, I recommend like drilling some holes for eyes or something, but I'm not gonna do that. But just so you guys know, if you do want to take this like trick-or-treating, I would recommend to make some eye holes so you can see. Costume, there really is only one small DIY component, but this costume is super relevant because this Friday a new series is coming out from the makers of Riverdale called The Chilling Adventures of Sabrina, and there's a lot of hype about it, so I know a lot of people are going to be watching it. So since it comes out a few days before Halloween, everyone's going to know what your costume is. So I watched the trailers a few times and I also looked up some images on Google and found out that Sabrina pretty much always wears like red and black, or at least she does most of the time. So I have a red sweater a black skirt. Then really the only thing you need to complete the costume is a black headband and a blonde wig. Now I don't have a black headband, but I have this one and I have some black material, so I'm just gonna go ahead and glue some black material to this headband. But of course, if you don't want a DIY headband, you can just go find one or buy one. It's totally up to you. And then to complete the look, just carry around a black cat if you like, or a broomstick, and you are Sabrina. That is the end of today's video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to give it a big ol' thumbs up down there and let me know in the comments down below if you want me to squeeze in any more Halloween videos before Halloween. I know we're coming up pretty close to Halloween, but I might be able to squeeze in at least one more. And if you like what you see, make sure you hit that subscribe button down there. And also you can find me on Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, all that fun stuff. It's just @FallonFraser. I also have 2 other YouTube channels. Yes, 2. One is a music channel and one is a vlogging channel. They will always be linked in the description box below for you guys if you want to check any of that stuff out. And without further ado, I will see you guys very soon with a brand new video.